So this is that time of year when there's lots of pollen in the air and a lot of people get allergies seasonally. So one of the really great methods that you have at your disposal is alternate nostril breathing. It's a pranayama technique that is proven to really help open and really release the sinus cavity. So we're going to do it with the ball today. So the difference is when you practice the regular, you're really just occluding the nostril on one side, breathing in, and you close the other one to exhale. With this, we're going to stimulate in, and it's a big ball, so it's going to have a gentle press in. So it's actually going to stimulate acupuncture meridians here and open up some of the bone structure here right around the sinus cavity. So give it a go. So you don't even need the big ball behind you, but if you have it, use it because it gives you a nice occipital stretch. Otherwise, you could just roll up a pillow so that you have your chin down. Just take a nice inhale and exhale, and you can notice there's always one side that's a little bit stuffier than the other. So when we use this, we really occlude one side. So I'm going to start with the right nostril. I'm going to take the ball, and I'm going to gently press it in towards the nose and straight in. And I'm just going to have a nice breath here through the left side. A full inhale. Now, I'm going to stop this side, put the ball over here on this side. Exhale through the other nose. Inhale. Move the ball to this side, occlude. Hold it for a second, and then exhale through the left. I'm going to inhale through the left. Occlude with the ball. Hold it for a sec, and exhale through the right. I'm going to inhale through the right. Deep and full. Occlude with the ball. Pressing gently. Holding for a second. And exhale through the left. And again, inhale through the left. Deep and full. Occlude. Hold it for a second. And exhale through the left. You can continue that for as many breaths as you like. You could do 50 in each nostril. But anyway, just wanted to give you that little idea because it starts to stimulate these bones. And you can always do regular face ball where you lift the frontal bone or spread the cheekbones after that. So I hope you enjoyed that.